Product name missing. Struggling with sticky batter? These spatulas might be your answer. This 5-piece silicone set is a colorful, practical addition to any kitchen. You get various sizes, perfect for everything from mixing to frosting. The food-grade silicone is heat-resistant to 600 F, so no melting worries. Plus, it won't scratch your non-stick pots and pans. Each has a strong, comfy handle, making them easy to grip. Cleaning is quick. The one-piece design prevents food buildup, and they are dishwasher safe. They're flexible enough to scrape bowls clean, yet sturdy enough for tough tasks. Imagine easily mixing dough and spreading frosting with no fuss. These spatulas make cooking and baking easier, and cleanup is a breeze. Gahili stainless ice cube trays. You know that moment when you twist a plastic ice tray and it cracks, or the cubes just won't pop out? The Gahili stainless steel tray is a simple, durable upgrade for your freezer. Its best feature is the release lever. After a quick rinse, one lift of the handle pops out every single large cube instantly. No more wrestling with flimsy plastic. Because it's stainless steel, water freezes much faster and the cubes get colder. This means your drinks stay perfectly chilled for longer without getting watered down. You can also use it to freeze portions of coffee, broth, or herbs. It's an elegant, long-lasting solution that delivers perfect ice every time, making any drink feel a little more special. Doa Swish Silicone Freezer Tray 2-pack. Struggling with freezer organization? Tired of awkwardly shaped bags leaking soup everywhere? The Doa Swish Silicone Freezer Tray 2-pack solves that. These trays make portioning a breeze. You get perfectly sized cubes of soup, sauce, or even baby food. The food-grade silicone means safe storage and easy pop-out removal. No more fighting frozen blocks. The secure lids prevent freezer burn and keep flavors fresh. Imagine perfectly portioned meals ready when you need them. They're oven and dishwasher safe, offering easy baking too. This tray offers organized freezer space, less waste, and simplifies meal prep. Spend less time struggling and more time enjoying delicious, perfectly portioned meals. What's easier than that? Rinpier Griddle Kit 33 PCS, juggling flimsy spatulas and mismatched tools at the griddle can make cooking for a crowd stressful. The Rinpier Griddle Kit 33 PCS is designed to solve that, giving you a complete, organized set. You get a heavy-duty smash burger press for creating those perfect, crispy-edged patties, and a basting dome to melt cheese evenly or steam vegetables right on the flat top. The professional-grade spatulas feel solid in your hand, letting you flip, chop, and scrape with confidence. Instead of searching for the right tool, everything is in one portable storage bag. Your entire grilling process becomes more efficient and a lot more fun, making your backyard feel like a professional hibachi setup. Tendware Chilled Portable Snackle Box Container. Packing for a picnic often means juggling a bunch of containers, and something always ends up soggy. The Tendware Chilled Snackle Box organizes everything into one neat solution. It has 12 compartments to keep your crackers crisp and your fruit separate. The slim, reusable ice pack fits perfectly underneath, keeping the entire tray chilled for hours. You can also remove the ice pack and use the insulated bag to transport warm dishes for total versatility. Imagine arriving at the park and opening up a perfect spread of fresh charcuterie, all ready to serve. It's like having a portable, organized mini fridge for your best snacks, making every outing feel a little more special. Less VNX 12-in-1 Veggie Chopper. I used to dread recipes that started with finely diced 3 onions. It just took forever and made a huge mess on the counter. That's where this Less VNX 12-in-1 Veggie Chopper has really helped my routine. With its sharp stainless steel blades, you can go from a whole carrot to perfect dices in just a few seconds. Swapping blades is simple, letting you slice potatoes for a gratin or julienne cucumbers for a salad with the same tool. All the chopped veggies fall directly into the attached container, so your cutting board and counters stay completely clean. It has totally streamlined my weeknight cooking. Meal prep that used to take 30 minutes is now done in less than 10. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Cooker. Juggling multiple pots and pans on a busy weeknight can be a real headache, especially when you're short on counter space. That's where the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 mini cooker steps in. It replaces 7 appliances, letting you pressure cook tender ribs, slow cook a hearty chili, or even make your own yogurt. Since it cooks up to 70 faster, you get those delicious meals on the table in a fraction of the time. The one-touch controls mean you can just set it and walk away. Imagine coming home to a perfect dinner without spending hours over the stove. Cleanup is also simple. The stainless steel pot and lid go right into the dishwasher. It really simplifies your entire meal prep process. Titanium cutting board 2-in-1 large. Worrying about cross-contamination when prepping dinner is a real hassle. I hated grabbing a separate board just for my chicken. The titanium cutting board 2-in-1 large combines 2 distinct surfaces into one smart design, simplifying my entire routine. You get a pure food-grade titanium side for handling meats. It doesn't absorb odors or stains at all. Then you just flip it over to the durable wheat straw side for all your fruits and vegetables. Instead of a deep juice groove that's hard to clean, its raised rim contains liquids, keeping your counters dry. My prep work feels so much more organized and hygienic now. It's a single, sturdy board that handles everything without getting scratched up. Power Kitchen Mat Set 3PC Khaki. Spending hours in the kitchen, feet aching? The Power Kitchen Mat Set is designed for comfort. This 3-piece khaki set provides cushioned support while you cook or clean. Made from premium PVC, they're waterproof and super easy to wipe clean. No more struggling with messy spills. The non-slip backing keeps them safely in place. You'll find the anti-fatigue cushioning really helps relieve pressure on your feet, knees, and back during those long meal prep sessions. Imagine cooking without that nagging discomfort. Now you can transform your kitchen into a more comfortable space with these durable, easy clean mats, making time in the kitchen a lot more enjoyable. Etek City Food Kitchen Scale Digital. Struggling with consistent measurements in the kitchen? I know the frustration. The Etek City Food Kitchen Scale Digital helps. You get precise readings every time with its accurate sensors. It's perfect for baking, meal prep, or portion control. The bright LCD display is so easy to read, no more squinting. Plus, the tare function lets you weigh ingredients in bowls easily. It weighs in grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters. Imagine perfectly consistent recipes, healthier meals, and less food waste. The stainless steel is easy to clean, and it stores easily. It gives you consistent, reliable results in the kitchen. No more guesswork. Aopi Gavi Silicone Freezer Trays 2-pack. Is your freezer overflowing with bags of soup? The Aopi Gavi Silicone Freezer Trays offer a perfect solution. These trays make portioning easy. They're made with food-grade silicone. It is flexible, yet very sturdy. This makes popping out frozen portions a breeze. You can freeze single servings without the usual mess. The 2-pack includes 1-cup and 2-cup options, perfect for portion control. Imagine easily grabbing pre-portioned meals. No more messy bags. You can meal prep or store homemade broth. These trays will keep your freezer organized. Enjoy simple, healthy eating. Less waste, less mess, happy you. T-Siak Handheld Steam Cleaner. That baked-on grease around your stove burners can be a real battle. You scrub, and it just doesn't budge. The T-Siak Handheld Steam Cleaner uses high-pressure steam to break down that kind of grime without any harsh chemicals. Its large 500 ml tank gives you over 10 minutes of continuous cleaning, so you can tackle the whole kitchen without stopping to refill. The 16 included accessories mean you have the right tool for everything, from grout lines to car interiors. You can see the gunk just melt away, leaving surfaces sanitized and genuinely clean. This is about deep cleaning your home effectively using only the power of water. Stink Dish Drying Mat XL Charcoal. Is your counter always wet after washing dishes? The Stink Dish Drying Mat XL Charcoal solves that. It's a large microfiber mat that absorbs water, keeping your countertops dry. You get a neat, clean space for air drying everything from delicate glasses to bulky pots. the absorbent material holds 4 times its weight in water, better than those silicone mats. Plus, it protects your surfaces. Imagine this: no more water rings and scratches under your appliances. It's reversible for optimal performance, and you can even use it under your mixer to slide it easily. This mat simplifies cleanup and protects your counters, making dish duty less of a chore. AOS Classroom Timers 2-pack juggling cooking times? Between the oven, stovetop, it gets crazy. The AOS Classroom Timers 2-pack solves that. These aren't just for teachers. You get 2, blue and green, large, clear displays, super easy to set. Cooking multiple dishes? Time tea? They count down perfectly to 99 minutes, 59 seconds. Plus, the loud alarm means you'll hear it anywhere. They're magnetic, so you can stick them right on your fridge. No more burnt cookies or oversteeped tea. Manage multiple recipes effortlessly. It remembers your last setting. Think perfectly cooked eggs, stress-free dinners. It's a little kitchen helper that makes a big difference. BOTDO Wireless Meat Thermometer. Ever wish you weren't stuck babysitting the grill? The BOTDO Wireless Meat Thermometer ends that hassle. This smart probe sends real-time temperature updates to your phone, freeing you up. Imagine mingling instead of constantly checking the meat. With its long-range Bluetooth, you can monitor from up to 900 feet away. That's freedom to relax indoors while ensuring perfectly cooked BBQ. Preset temperatures eliminate guesswork, delivering restaurant-quality results. No more dry chicken or undercooked roasts. Finally, perfectly cooked meals every time, effortlessly. The BOTDO thermometer makes cooking enjoyable. Product name missing. Struggling to get that perfect sear on your steak? This Sondico torch head makes it so easy. Just attach it to a standard propane tank and you're ready to go. The adjustable flame control lets you fine-tune the heat. You can easily caramelize desserts or sear meats. The intense, professional-grade flame reaches up to 3272 F, giving you restaurant-quality results at home. Plus, it's not just for cooking. Use it to start your campfire charcoal, too. Imagine perfectly seared steaks every time, plus a quick way to light the grill. It's versatile, powerful, and so simple to use. It's a tool to elevate cooking. Yinmo's Titanium Cutting Board 12x9. You know that feeling when your cutting board just won't let go of the smell of garlic, or has so many knife marks you wonder what's hiding in them? The Yinmo's Titanium Cutting Board solves this. Because it's made from pure titanium, it's completely non-porous. This means it doesn't absorb odors or stains, so you can chop onions, then slice fruit without any flavor transfer. The surface is also incredibly durable, resisting the deep scratches where bacteria can build up on plastic or wood boards. Cleanup is simpler too. Just rinse it under the tap and it's ready to go. It brings a new level of hygiene and convenience to your daily food prep. Hope Giver Stone Drying Mat White. Is your kitchen counter always wet and messy after washing dishes? It's so annoying. The Hope Giver Stone Drying Mat offers a simple solution. Made from natural diatomaceous earth, this mat instantly absorbs water. You'll be amazed how quickly dishes dry. No more soggy fabric mats that smell. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just wipe it down. The collapsible design saves space, and the non-slip base protects your counters. Imagine a tidy and dry kitchen effortlessly. This mat offers cleanliness and ease. Finally, a truly functional, minimalist edition. Zadalar Salt Pepper Grinder Electric. Are you tired of messy salt and pepper spills every time you cook? The Zadalar Electric Grinder solves that. It makes seasoning super simple. Imagine freshly ground spices at the touch of a button. This grinder features easy USB-C charging. Just pop it on the base. You'll get months of use from a single charge. The XL capacity means less refilling too. Top loading is quick and clean. You adjust the grind with 5 precise settings for perfect spice every time. The LED light even helps you see what you're doing. Ditch the mess and enjoy perfectly seasoned meals effortlessly. Fresh flavor made easy. Product name missing. Ever struggle opening cans, especially with achy hands? This electric can opener takes away that pain. It's designed for easy use and safety. Just one touch and it goes to work. You get smooth, clean edges, so no more worrying about cuts. The sharp blade works on all can sizes, no more straining. It's USB rechargeable, so batteries are a thing of the past. Imagine quickly opening cans without any effort. Think of saving time and reducing frustration. This compact tool solves a daily problem, making meal prep easier and safer. It simplifies a chore and gives you more comfort. House Again Grill Brush Bristle-Free. Ever find stray grill brush bristles in your burger? It's gross and unsafe. The House Again Grill Brush solves that. It's bristle-free. The coiled stainless steel design scrubs grime without shedding. You get clean grates safely. The 3-in-1 system really shines. A scraper tackles tough spots, a silicone sponge grabs grease, the steel mesh polishes it all. No more scrubbing for hours. The long handle keeps your hands away from the heat so you can clean even the back of the grill easily. Imagine, sparking clean grill, safer food. It's a better grilling experience, plain and simple. Kokora Manual Can Opener Black. Ever fight a can that just won't open? The Kokora Can Opener makes that struggle a thing of the past. Its sharp blade and ergonomic handles mean effortless opening, even for stubborn cans. You'll notice the difference immediately. The non-slip grip keeps it secure even if your hands are wet. Plus, it fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue. Imagine quickly opening cans without pain or strain. It's built tough for reliable use, and it has a bottle opener. It's so easy to use that it gives you more time to enjoy the contents. This tool turns a chore into a breeze. Mivendeo Poo Titanium Cutting Board Large. Is kitchen prep always a struggle? Too little space, flimsy boards? The Mivendeo Poo Titanium Cutting Board Large solves that. It's made of durable titanium, so it resists knife marks and bacteria. You get a large 15-inch prep surface that won't warp like plastic. One side's titanium for meats, the other BPA-free wheat straw for produce. This means no flavor mixing or cross-contamination. Rinse it quickly and it stays clean. Imagine prepping a huge meal, everything organized, and cleaning is a breeze. With this board, you gain prep ease and hygiene. Nuvaconk's Electric Salt Pepper Grinder. Ever fumble with grinders while cooking? Nuvaconk solves that. This electric grinder set preps fresh spices easily. You get adjustable coarseness from fine to coarse. It fits any taste. See the LED display? It shows battery life, so you're never caught off guard. One-button design keeps things simple. It's USB rechargeable for easy power-ups. Imagine perfectly seasoned steaks. Effortless, one-handed operation freeing up your other hand. The Nuvaconk's grinder brings consistent, flavorful seasoning,